The revelation of the health insurance giant Kaiser Permanente shared patients' information with third party advertisers, including tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and X, is troubling. It underscores the risks associated with data sharing and the potential for breaches of privacy and trust. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Kaiser Permanente apologized to 13.4 million of its members that some of their search information may have been accidentally transmitted to Google, other search engines, and media platforms. Kaiser's notification to millions of current and former members is a necessary step towards transparency. But it also highlights the importance of stringent data privacy policies and oversight in the healthcare sector. Individuals affected by the breach may understandably feel concerned about the security of their personal information and may want to take steps to protect themselves, such as monitoring their accounts for suspicious activity and being cautious about sharing sensitive information online. Kaiser's acknowledgement that certain online technologies installed on its website and mobile applications may have transmitted personal information to third party vendors sheds light on the mechanisms behind the data breach. This underscores the complexity of data security in today's digital landscape and highlights the importance of robust security measures to safeguard sensitive information. Kaiser said that the data shared with advertisers includes members' names and IP addresses, as well as information that could indicate if members were signed into a Kaiser Permanente account or service and how members interacted with and navigated through the website and mobile applications and search terms used in the health encyclopedia. Kaiser said it subsequently removed the tracking code from its websites and mobile. The breach at Kaiser is listed on the Department of Health and Human Services website as the largest confirmed health related data breach of 2024 so far. US organizations covered under the health privacy law known as HIPAA are required to notify the US Department of Health and Human Services of data breaches involving protected health information such as medical data and patient records. Kaiser also notified California's Attorney General of the data breach but did not provide any further details. Moving forward, it will be crucial for Kaiser and other organizations to conduct thorough audits of their online technologies, implement stronger data protection protocols, and ensure transparency with their user regarding data sharing practices to rebuild trust and mitigate future risks. Let's look into today's headlines. HMD Global pivots away from Nokia to announce its smartphone line. HMD Global has introduced its smartphone line in a pivot away from Nokia. The Finnish smartphone brand has introduced three models in its inaugural Pulse series. This comprises Pulse, Pulse Plus, and Pulse Pro. With a focus on repairability, each device in the Pulse range is built to be repairable. HMD said its partnership with third-party repair platform iFixit will allow Pulse device owners to replace a damaged display. Threads enhances content filtering with hidden words feature. Threads is rolling out a new feature called Hidden Words. This feature has been announced by Instagram head Adam Mosseri and aims to automatically filter out potentially offensive words, phrases, or emojis from users' feeds and interactions by default. The Hidden Words feature will apply to content in both the following and For You feeds, search results, profiles, and replies to posts. Apple in talks to include OpenAI's generative AI tech in upcoming iPhone. Apple has renewed talks with Sam Altman-led OpenAI about using its generative AI technology to include some new features in the iPhones. Both Apple and OpenAI are engaged in discussions over a possible agreement on how to integrate the AI startup features into iOS 18, the next operating system. Earlier this year, Apple had spoken to OpenAI, but the work between the two had been minimal. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India targets to finalize national broadcast policy by May end. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India will finalize the national broadcast policy by the end of May as stated by TRAI Chairman Anil Kumar Lahoti. He added that TRAI's goal is to provide all stakeholders in the industry a level playing field, while further adding that there should be no entry barriers for any new entrants and there should be no discrimination between different players. X is reportedly working on a Google Meet-like meetings feature. Developers at Elon Musk-led X are working on a new feature that might enable users to host web conferences on the platform, much like Google Meet. A recent post on X said the feature could be a part of X Spaces that allows users to host live audio conversations on the platform. The upcoming feature appears to allow users to initiate personal group video and audio calls. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.